Hi everybody, I'm Leslie Variante, the founder of Variante, the most popular modest wear fashion label. It is October, Pink October, Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So a few months ago, we got together with members of Pink Unity, a cancer support group for cancer survivors, and we had a discussion and we came up with patterns together. So we have a few collections that we have come up together. For example, this one, this beautiful pink dress that only available in Variante, and this look very nice, and we have our logo there, and also this which we have come up together with them, and this our logo is here. Try to find our logo, it's in here somewhere. Yeah, so it's the month of October. Proceeds from our sales for the month of October from all our Variantes will be channeled to Pink Unity. So come on down and support us and support Pink Unity for Breast Cancer Awareness Month.